Hey everyone! Flat for Education came out with an updated version of their extension for Google Docs. And I apologize, this is my morning voice. They call it Music Snippet, and if you have a Flat for Education account and you go to the Google Workplace, you can add this on. And I have it over on my Twitter, but you can find this easily. It just came out today and it's in a beta extension. So I just wanted to show you some of the things I saw. So this is really cool. I'm in Google Docs and I created this right here. So I can go to extensions and go to Flat for Docs and insert musical snippet. When I go in there, you can see that you can have an unpitched, two staves, guitar, ukulele. So if I was just going to write a single staff, I would grab it and then go ahead to the notation just like Flat for Education. So I could put in notes, say if it's a recorder snippet I want them to practice, or write the note names in. And just like in Flat, I can go to the measure and get rid of the last measure. I can also, again, put in text. I can put lyrics in. I can put dynamics in. That over here. I can replay it. Just like that. Of course, put it back to the beginning. I can put articulation in. And I can put slurs in. It's very much just like Flat for Education. When I insert it, it's going to go right into the score. And then I can put directions above it, under it, and it's really cool. And I like to be able that I can create it right there inside Google Docs. Or, of course, I can grab something from Flat and put it into Google Docs. But I really love how you can just create it right there. And this is in their beta, and I just saw it today. It just came to me in my email, so I wanted to try it out. I did find one thing. You'll see that, you can't see it on my screen, but I'm actually in incognito in Chrome. And the reason is if I'm signed in under two accounts in my Chrome web browser, it won't work. And they said they'll tell you right away, like you'll try to insert it and it won't work. And that is why, like, you have to be in one account. So I'm in one account, the one that has Flat, and then it allows it to insert in. But if you were in two accounts, meaning one was for Flat, like even though my picture's here, but I'm also signed in another account in Chrome, it won't insert. So try this out today if you're a Flat for Education. Music Education, if you have the educational account, go ahead and try beta test their new add-on for Docs and see if it will help you in the upcoming school year.